Hello viewers, I'm Cahaya. Now we will cook one of Indonesian cuisine. You know what will we cook? Okay, now we will cook fried rice. Very easy to make it. Let's cook. The ingredients that you need such as rice, eggs, salt and pepper, garlic, onion, oil, chili, tomato sauce, soya sauce, vegetable, and crackers. Okay, the tools are stove, spatula, knife, pan, spoon, and plate. Okay, the step to make it, the first put all ingredients such as chili, garlic, and onion. Then stir fry all ingredients until aromatic. Second, enter the complementary ingredients such as vegetable or anything according to your taste. Mix well, then add eggs and stir evenly. Next, enter the white rice and stirring until well blended rice with all the spices and condiments. Then add the tomato sauce, salt and pepper while stir constantly until cooked fried rice. And finally, lid and fried rice ready to be served. Okay, that's all about how to make fried rice. Thank you for your attention and enjoy your fried rice. Goodbye.